Click on Calibration Management. The number of rows and columns in the dotting range depends on the situation. It is recommended to set the spacing about 0.5 to 1. It is recommended to set the light time to less than 40. Set the power in layer management. The larger the laser tube, the smaller the power setting. Click on Dotting. Move the lens to the center of the dotting. Click on Automatic Correction. If there are extra points, adjust the smoothing coefficient. Click on Automatic Correction again. Click on Cut. Move the camera to the cut cross. Align the center of the camera with the cross. Click on Distance Calibration. Enter the password 123456. Click on Cutting Cross again to verify. The camera will automatically align with the cutting cross.